Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. 2 shaves, 2 days, 24 hours growth. In fact, there ain't a whole heap on there, but I'm going to knock it out anyway. The brush for today is my turn and shave 30mm Whipped Dog Boar. One thing I've noticed since I stopped doing the videos a while back and not doing them as often, but not doing them at all, I forgot the names of all the knots, the razors, the blades. I forgot who sent me soaps, I forgot who did this. My memory's just awful. But yeah, this one was sent over from Lather Bros, and 1792 is based on, I can't remember the name of the actual scent, but it's made for Shaving Time, which is a store I believe based in the UK, and I've got it, I would say blooming. Now the scent on this isn't super strong, so technically I am trying to bloom it a little bit, but it's a barber shop and it's not a million miles away or a million miles different from the barber shop that, can't remember the name of the company. This is what I mean, this is what's at Heritage Hill. Is it Heritage Hill? The barber shop they do is very similar to this, I find, so I'm assuming that's based on a similar sort of thing. Now I can see the bottle in my head based on the colours and everything on this, the bottle of the actual aftershave. I can see it, but I can't remember the name of it. And I'm assuming, I think it's possibly a number as well, but for the life of me I just can't remember. So just loading up. That should be enough soap. I'll just scoop out the excess in the tub. Rinse out the soap, as I always do. This is just a habit for me, it's not a habit, it's more of a, I just have to do it. So I just use the warm water in the sink, I fill up the soap dish and basically swirl that around like that until all the water falls out. And then once you've done it a few times, you get left with that, which is spotless. And then I just leave that upside down for about 24 to 48 hours and it dries out pretty much perfectly every time. Now this will be a DE shave. I'm using the Karve Christopher Bradley razor, my only DE in the den at the moment. I do actually, well, technically have another DE razor to use as well, but it's currently sat with Sir Jan over at Rhodium Knots. Oh, I haven't lost a hair in this thing for a long time. Doesn't want to focus on the one hair. Just painting water in. It's a very nice, soothing barbershop scent. It's not super strong. Bloody fly, man. Can't stand flies. So I think that looks pretty good. Now this camera always shows up every single air bubble. It is a very good camera, but sort of detracts a little bit from the lather. The lather looks really sort of dense and creamy. Now it's not a high volume lather that I've made there. So I've got my Karve Christopher Bradley razor, stainless steel, soaking in the water, or warming up in the hot water. The blade today, which I do remember who I got this from. I got this from Ken, over at Ken's Shaving and BSing. And I think I recently spoke to him actually, I messaged him. So I'm going to pop this in. These are Kai blades, and as you can see, they are not branded. Made in Japan, very thick blade in comparison to other blades. They're also wider, so the blade itself protrudes further out. So sometimes, depending on the razor, I can't remember how well it works in the calves. Some they work fantastic and some they don't. And here we go. Probably going to get a little bit of blood there. That felt like it just whacked into a bump or something. I don't quite know what happened. Oh, hang on a minute, just let me. There we go. Right, now I haven't changed the way that I do my shave, but it's almost a sort of full 3-pass shave now rather than 3 passes and a touch up. First pass with the grain, second pass across, and the third one's basically a touch up around the lips and a bit of against the grain, so it seems to work reasonably well. And then across the grain here. I do have, what have we got on here? So I've got the A plate on there today. Hopefully you can see that. Weeper there, a couple of weepers there. I knew I was going to get them. I'm not rushing, I just want to get the shave done. There we go, and let's go with a little bit of
You won't regret. This isn't a favor. You have to agree.
think that's pretty good. It's not perfect, it never is for me, but and there we have it. I'm going to finish off now with just a tiny bit of the aftershave balm, because I will be having a shower shortly, and then I'll pop a little bit more on afterwards. I'll just pop a little bit of this on and just see how it feels. So you've got the menthol in there. Yep. That's one thing I love about the balms from Lather Bros. That little bit of menthol, even in the summer, it's warm over here at the moment. A little bit of menthol goes a long way just to finish the shave off and cool your skin down. Even if you've had a hot shave, you may have had a bit of irritation. I mean, that blade doesn't work very well on the calf, unfortunately. So that one will be going in the bin. And I probably won't use a Kai blade again unless I get a different razor. I may actually just throw it in the cupboard. So there we go. The brush was the Turn and Shave 30mm Whip Dog Boar. The Karve Christopher Bradley razor. Well, it's in 3 pieces right now. Let's just assemble her again. Lather Bros Shaving Time 1792, which is a really nice sort of mild scented barbershop. Nothing flash, nothing posh. It just does exactly what you want it to do. Really nice. The balm though is fantastic. It always is from Lather Bros. They make an absolutely brilliant balm that just cools your skin and makes it feel great. Now I've got a bit of blood floating about, but I'm not too worried about that. Once I have a shower in 10-15 minutes, that'll be all gone. And I think that's me in it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys who knows when. Cheers.